Okay, today is part 2 of our BMS created by JW Solar USA, our manual BMS. As you seen watched the video yesterday, and this is all the strings we've created here, and in partnership with you guys, because you guys watching my videos, I have to be thankful and grateful for you guys being part of my channel. And thank you again. As we are fast approaching the 11,000 subscribers, 11K, like I told you guys, I said this year, 2023, will be a lot of changes and we're not going to be talking about a lot of things we base on batteries, and this is what I've been doing. So this is the technology and I came up with, and the other string that was sitting on the other side is now here incorporated. So you talking about because here is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 batteries on each module. So it's is 80 here, and here is another 20, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So is 100 cells, lithium iron phosphate, 100 of them here at 3.2 volt, 25 amp hours, wired in series parallel. And this is what I've done, like I explained yesterday. If you haven't seen the video, make sure you watch the video before this one. If you stumble into this video, go back and watch the manual balance or manual BMS, and you will see what I'm talking about, because we went with here in all the way 4 in series is a 4S 5P, but now it's like 20. If you go this way, this bus bar here and this copper wire here goes 20 cells all the way. So this one acts like a one module. If you come back here, this acts like a one module. It's another module. And here, positive bus bar, the go bar, all the way is one module. Same thing here. 4 in series. See that? 4 in series. Then I parallel with this bus. Bus is right here, bus bar. And after that, I end up going this way, vertical. So I went with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now. Here is 4. Okay. If you go horizontal, it's 4. It's a 4S right here. But now here it became a 5P. So 5 in parallel. So that's why this wire is. So now this one becomes like 5 batteries in parallel, 5 batteries in parallel, 5 batteries in parallel, 5 in parallel, and 4 in series. This is the JW Solar USA's way of doing things without BMS. My point is, you can do anything without a BMS. BMS is not the answer to everything. You have to be creative. You really have to be creative. Okay, you have to improvise. I learned this from my dad. He always kept telling me, say, you don't have to have everything to make things work, but you have to create things to work. Things that you already have, the equipment you already have, tools you already have, to improvise to get the job done. And that's what he has been telling me all my youth age, and this is what you do things. So it doesn't mean because you have a flat screwdriver, you cannot do the job. You have to find something else. You have to improvise a flat screwdriver or Phillips to loosen that screw or that bolt or that nut, whatever, or wrench or ratchet or whatever. You have to create something. So I've been listening to the old man for a very long time, and became a man. Most of the things that he was telling me, he was throwing me everywhere just to see and shorten some of the other things and take some other tools off to see how I can complete the task without that tool or without that device or that equipment to come up with something. He said this is what we should be as a human being. You don't rely on everything you ask for is there or run to the store. What about something happening in a crisis? You cannot able to function because one thing is missing, because you cannot improvise. So this is the improvisation that I've created here with the JW Solar USA. And these are my BMS or balancers, you can call. So, and with all the bus bars are wired all in series parallel. And like I said, this is a temporal setup, so I don't want you or other people to go after me criticizing me because of the wires. We are not running no load into this. We are just balancing and charging. But today is a bad day. Snow again here in Minnesota. I saw earlier up to about 4 amps coming from this one. This is the Canadian Solar. The It has the bifacial, and this one here is a mixed match panels with a 50 watts, 4 of them. So 50 times 4, then I have another 83 watt module, 2 of them. So I wire them in parallel, the 83, and I wired the other ones in the 100 and sorry, the 200 watts, which is 50 watts Renogy, in parallel as well, then series them because the voltage are identical, even though the other ones, the 83, are 21 point something volts. And I decided to wire them all together because I don't want to create any um, long string series strings, because I'm sitting on the deck, which is covered with a lot of shade. So if one panel is shaded, if they're all in parallel, they still work. Doesn't matter. It's just one panel is down, and the amps, you can still have them. You have more amps coming in, so other panel, they're covered, they you still fine. So this one is the one with the 50 watts, and the 83 is a mixed match panel. So all in all is about 700 watts, 700 plus watts in this. It's cloudy outside. The camera might deceive you by showing you. You think it's too bright. That doesn't make any difference. You still have to make power JW. But this is not how it is. It's the snow is on the roof. I'm so lucky to have this portable one laying on the deck, and I can able to do what I can able to do for my testing. This is just a testing site here. Just I use the 2 charge controllers. They're overkill. It's just because of the 2 different panels I have here to give me the 700 something. This is the Canadian panel bifacial. See the snow on the ground? It's a lot of snow. It's dark and hazy. And this one here, 50 watts and 50 watt, 50 and 50. These are the 83 watts on each, 83 watts on the other one. So all the gray you see down there is the snow. And I have my flower pots or for growing my garden, peppers and other things, tomatoes. So they are waiting. Pretty soon we're gonna be spring here. So this is what I did. So the Canadian Solar is a bifacial. Like I said, it's collecting the reflection underneath. That's why seeing the ground right there. That's why it was bringing that 1 amp you see in there, and it keeps the voltage up though. And at the end of the day, you see some voltage. The voltage is rising, or keep going up. But now because it's already below the threshold, and you can see we don't produce that. But the time I don't even have these other panels down here, the bifacial is working perfectly, even though the snow is covered at the top here. It covered the top part of the panel, and it's reflecting on the behind. It's bringing more power. So this is what I've created. We want to put this guy into test right here, by we're going to be breaking those modules here in 4 the way they are right now. This guy, that guy, that guy, and that guy. That's another extra one. So this is how we gonna test this system by breaking these guys down, connect them in series for 48 volt at 125 amp hours. Right now, this 4 is a 500 amp hours, and the other one over there is 125. So 625 amp hours of power or 12 volts right here at JW Solar USA. So guys, just want to show you what I'm up to, and we are progressing and we are bringing more knowledge and skills here at the channel. Really appreciate you guys watching it, and if you don't understand it, make sure you watch the video slowly. Be careful or be mindful to criticize right away if you don't understand what I have done. I like to do series videos because it's just not one shot. That gives you the ability or capability or the know-how for you to keep following to understand. If I'm speaking too fast, I'm sorry, because hey, I speak 5 languages. So this is the deal. Go back and um, trying to listen. Trying to listen. Don't worry about my accent. Try to listen, and whatever you can suck into these projects I'm doing here, or this kind of testing technology, that will help you. All right. Okay. You get a good glance now. This interconnect right here to join continue. This is what it is, because you see the bus bar, they all interconnect all the way here and all the way there. So any of them has a fuse and breaker. Likewise, this guy here from the charge controller. Okay, this is how we're gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the quick move with the camera, and I hope you like the video, and stay tuned for more to come right here, JW Solar USA Command Center in Minnesota. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned.